verse 17. Ang sabi mo, verse 16, bawal mo rin tibulin ang buhok mo at malagay ng pamilya. At verse 12, bawal mo rin ayusin ang bahay mo at certain way. Because the book of the Mosaic Law, Deuteronomy, had a purpose during the time. But now after when Jesus Christ came, everything we do should be to give God glory. Now you put a tattoo of the devil, that's not giving God glory. You put a tattoo of a naked woman or a naked man, then that's not giving God glory. Now, my tattoos are different things that inspire me. I have the names of my children. I have the dates of the birthdays. I have biblical verses in Latin. I have some motorcycle things because I'm inspired as a rider. And other things that I find beautiful. Most of my tattoos are on my arms because that's what I see the most when I ride my bicycle or when I ride my motorcycle.
And lastly, with so many things happening, so many things on your plate, does retirement ever enter your mind?
Funny because you think you asked that, because I don't want to stop working when I retire. I still want to be in television and in the public eye in my waning years. Maybe a lesson the frequency, maybe not one TV show or a podcast but I have to keep on doing this. I love television and I'd like to be on television as long as I can. No, clear naman. 20 years ko, tinanong mo sa akin yan. At pareho pa rin ang sagot ko.
Pinaliligan niya, hindi talaga siya tuwa.
When I started out on television, si Leia asked me and other people as well, my friends in the press, baka naman ginagamit mo lang ang television dahil pagpupolitiko ka. It's been 20 years, yun pa rin ang tanong na ngayon. When people ask me whether I want to be in politics, I do not like politics. I come from a family of politicians. Yeah, I like to watch politics. I'm a good political analyst because I come from a political family. I know how things are going to go because I was once immersed in it. But as to get into it again, I'd rather be your Kuya Kim than your Mayor Kim or Congressman Kim.